Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I am going to give you 5 stocks with the stats to squeeze and my reasoning behind it. So please stay tuned till the end of the video. We will count down to number 1. Should be pretty fun and looking forward to good times in the market. The chart is very bullish on the major indices, and so I'm liking it for a move upwards. But before I get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. I do have a Patreon group. I have a limited amount of spots available. You will want to check it out. I have a link in the description down below. Once those levels fill up, I will never add more. I mean never. So you will want to get in and reserve your spot. Well, let's get going and start talking about these different stocks and get right into it. All right, so number 5 we're going to start off with is Rocket Companies, ticker symbol RKT. It has a 22.18% short float and a 1.72% borrow fee rate. Now, so far, this stock has not done great. It has had lots of insider activity, but it is going the wrong direction so far. So far, the bears have been winning, but the insider activity continues to be reported over and over again. And I like this gap up here right around $14. And so there's a lot of reasons why I think that this is going to turn around, and it should start very soon. Now, everything is negative on this. We have a negative MACD cross. I understand that this one chart-wise does not look that great, but those insider buys have kept me and make me very interested. I think that this could turn into a squeeze rather quickly, especially if we have a good market day starting on Friday. So if you are watching this and you're wanting a stock that's had a lot of insider activity and is really beat up, then this is the one to pick. All right, let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is Cricut, ticker symbol CRCT. I've had this before. This has been on this list a couple of times in the last few weeks, and I like this for a continued or a big burst upwards. It has a 13.26% short float. It has a 12.65 borrow fee rate. So pretty muted as far as that goes, but still a high short percentage. And like this for insider buys, Colin Moran continues to buy up shares, and this is a good reason to get bullish into the company. When an insider loads, they use their own money in open market. That's exactly what's happened here. I can see this causing a squeeze as it moves upwards and others start to panic. And also, this is a great time and a great value of a stock to get in. It has just been taken just too far down. Like this for a big move upwards. I've made a lot of money with the stock in the past after insider activity, and I expect this time to be no different. All right, number 3, I'm probably going to take a little flack for, but I really think that this one is going to squeeze very soon. And this is GameStop, ticker symbol GME. It has a 19.60% short float, a 6.20% borrow fee rate. So we've had recent insider activity by multiple officers, so I like it for that reason. Also, a possible upcoming stock split that is going to be voted on soon, and so there's lots of reasons why this could get to all-time highs again and move and be yet another epic squeeze. Liking this, it has definitely been down since I called it out in the previous squeeze video, so it has not been doing well, but I still believe in this and I think it's going to squeeze. It's just forming this base, and I think that we could bounce pretty nicely off of this 13 EMA that's right here. So looking for a big move upwards. Let's see if we can't get some momentum going on this one, especially if we get good market conditions. All right, number 2 is EVGO, and this is ticker symbol EVGO. And so this has a 28.8% short float, very, very high, 29.27% borrow fee rate. So the stats are there for a monster squeeze. This is a fast charging company that is powered by renewable energy. So for that reason, I like this one to get out of hand, especially if we can see a continued growth here. This has been moving up nicely. Would like to see it get past $13.80 here and I could see it really getting up there. We have a nice gap up here at 1340. A lot of reasons why I think this one could be the next big one that really starts to take off. All right, and number one is NIOG Commerce, ticker symbol NEGG. This has a 23.41% short float and a 70.83% borrow fee rate. So that means that investors who want to short the stock will have to pay a 70% interest rate to their broker to borrow shares. That is extremely high. And so I like this to move upwards along with a lot of the technology stocks right now, being that they are at a crossroads. We have some typical things that have happened here that are very good. We've had a cross of the 13 EMA versus the 48 EMA. You can see that cross here that I've been tracking, so I like that. I like the stats involved with this. It is kind of overbought, but it's not terrible. You know, squeeze stocks can get ridiculously overbought. Like the momentum that this has been on, and I'm expecting it to continue for a nice move. Well, hopefully you like these picks and can make some money with them. I wish you all the best in the stock market. Of course, I hope to see you in our Discord group, and I wish you all the best. And Raythoven out.